Welcome to the Digital How-To series. Today we're going to have a look at how to make use of secondary dimensions in Google Analytics to provide a deeper level of insight to your data. Google Analytics provides a whole bunch of different reports, each with detailed information into performance of a specific dimension. In this case, we're looking at gender as our primary dimension. Quite often though, this doesn't give us the level of insight we might need into a specific segment. As an example, we've got male and female here, but that might not give us enough information. This is where secondary dimensions come in quite useful. As an example, if we want to be able to split male and female by a specific age, we can click on this drop down where it says secondary dimension and add age as our secondary dimension here. This then further segments that view, and you can see that it starts splitting out male versus female at a specific age group. So now we've got a lot more granularity, and we can see performance at a specific segment level. Another example of this might be segmenting device by city, get an idea of where mobile users are located. In this case, I'm looking at our device category as a primary dimension, splitting out desktop, mobile, and tablet. Again, if I click on the secondary dimension and I find our city dimension, this then further splices that data and provides a deeper level of insight into where mobile or desktop visitors are located. And that's how you make use of secondary dimensions to get a deeper level of insight in your data.